What's up guys, Jim here. We're going to be departing runway 27 today here at Lewis. I'm just going through before takeoff, a little check here, make sure everything's looking good. I'm happy. Lewis traffic, Cessna 704, you're from Whiskey departing runway 27, we'll be making a right turn out departure to the north. Lewis traffic. Alright, oil pressure is good, oil temperature is good, airspeed is alive, rotating at 60 knots, or 60 miles an hour. On my way at 80. It's not what it's reporting. Lewis traffic, Cessna 704, you from Whiskey, depart the area to the north, right turn out. Lewis traffic, let's go. Chicago approach, Cessna 704, you're from Whiskey, VFR with request. 4 uniform Whiskey, go ahead. Cessna 704, you're from Whiskey is just north of Naper, 3000, like request VFR flight following to Madison.
Uniform Whiskey, squawk 5136.
5136, you're from Whiskey.
4 uniform Whiskey, radar contact, the Midwest University 007.
3007, 704, you're from Whiskey. Alright, that's shorten that up, 40 uniform Whiskey. Alright you guys, what's up? So today we're flying from Lewis to Madison. Yeah, just trying to start building my cross country time. I got the engine pulled back to 2400 RPM, about 52% power.
0 and up 4 at localizer.
We're going to be climbing up to 4,500 once we clear the Bravo here.
That's for Julie Travis, no factor. 2308 direct to TQ.
And today we're flying the 150 Blue for Young Eagles. Actually that video of the Young Eagles went out to, yesterday, 2 days ago, because today is Sunday. And yeah, so now we're going flying, gonna get this, I got 70 hours of cross country time to burn.
Center 134.82.
So you're gonna see a lot of cross country out of me, and I'm not gonna be able to film a lot of it, just because I'm running out of space on these cameras. I don't have time to edit anymore. So you probably saw a little gap in videos. That's just because I don't have any more time to be editing.
1356, time 18-3000.
Just because I've got, at the moment I have 9 block students, so they have like assigned times to fly at Lewis. Then I've got 2 out-of-block students where they don't have assigned times to fly, but they just kind of fit them in wherever. So that's 11 students there, plus I have 2 at the club, at this club here that this airplane is from. So that's, you know, 13 students. And plus I'm taking 5 classes at school. This is my last semester. It better be my last semester. So I'm hoping to get that done. I'm just playing with the rudders because if my left fuel gauge I filled it to the brim.
Just to the left of
So
the
the
they're about
fuel
5
tank thinks
miles
it's empty.
past under their low levels.
But when I hit that little bit of right rudder, it goes back to normal. But then when I jerk back left, it's
0 Juliet Alpha, kind of Rockford 121.0.
0 Juliet Alpha to Rockford 121.0. That's an accuracy I'm expecting. And yes, a little bit more about this airplane. This is a Cessna 150 Mike model. I believe it's a 64, maybe? I'll have to look it up. I'll put it on the screen here. But it's a great little airplane. Fun little toy. It is kind of annoying though, because literally it's so weight sensitive that, because I'm sitting on the left side, it wants to bank left. But to always be at the right aileron. That's how like this airplane is. It just wants it, wherever the weight is, it's trying to get that wing. But yeah, I'm hoping, if I did my math correctly, I'm only going to burn 12.
35 Charlie, radar contact, midway altimeter 3006.
I did my math right, I'm only going to burn 12 gallons for the flight there and back. And this airplane holds 22 gallons, so we'll see. I've got to lean down.
Juliet, kind of approach on 128.2.
Right now, but once we clear the Bravo here in a minute, we're going to climb up to
2615, speed to the
4,500.
Cisco 35.2.
Alright, and we are clear of the Bravo. We're giving it a minute before our climb. Alright, we'll push the mixture in. There we go, full power. Right rudder. Pitching up for 80 miles an hour.
Jack 4 Uniform Whiskey, you're leaving airspace to the northwest. Squawk VFR, you can try Rockford on 121.0 for a new code today.
121.0, Squawk VFR for 704 Uniform Whiskey. Thank you. Alright, so now what ATC did there is they weren't able to give us a handoff, so now I have to contact them myself again and ask for flight following. And where are we at? We're about 20 miles west, 20 miles east of Rockford. Rockford approach Cessna 704 Uniform Whiskey VFR with request.
704 Uniform Whiskey, Rockford approach. The altimeter Rockford is 3006. Maintain VFR, and what is your request?
3006, maintain VFR, requesting VFR flight following to Madison at 4,500. We're about 20 miles east of Rockford at this time.
704 Uniform Whiskey, Roger, squawk 5374.
5374, 704 Uniform Whiskey. 5374. And so I do the same process all over again with Rockford. But they're currently identifying us. I'm gonna power back again. 2,400 RPM. Once we get stabilized here, I'll lean her out again.
Rover 704 Uniform Whiskey, radar contact, 30 miles to the east of Rockford Airport, 4,500. Get up course.
On course, 4 Uniform Whiskey.
No, 4 Uniform Whiskey, verifying squawk rating at 5374.
5374 for 4 Uniform Whiskey. Alright, we're GPS directed this time, just kind of cruising out. We'll be there in 40 minutes, 40 minutes, so kind of a long flight, but I need the cross time anyway. We're going to run up there, and then we got a little bit of a tailwind, so that's kind of nice. Not only back off a little bit of a headwind, but that's why we're going to be lower.
November 4 Uniform Whiskey, contact Madison approach on 120.1.
120.1, 40 from Whiskey, thank you.
Airport Tulsa, 195 feet AGL. The following taxiways are closed. Foxtrot, Bravo 4, Echo, north of runway 32, Hotel, north of runway 32, Bravo between Bravo 3 and Bravo 5. 5G notice in effect for Madison Airport. For further information, contact flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact, you have information to Quebec.
Quebec.
Madison Airport information, Quebec 1353 to wind calm, visibility 7,000 scattered. Temperature 7, dew point 4, altimeter 3007. Iowa runway 36, RNAV runway 32 and 3 in use. Land and hold short operations in effect. Notice to air missions. Multiple construction cranes in the vicinity of Madison Airport, Tulsa, 195 feet AGL. The following taxiways are closed. Foxtrot, Bravo 4, Echo, north of runway 32, Hotel, north of runway 32, Bravo between Bravo 3 and Bravo 5. 5G notice in effect for Madison Airport. For further information, contact flight service frequency.
Madison approach, Cessna 704, Uniform Whiskey, 4,500 with Quebec. Madison approach, Cessna 704, Uniform Whiskey. Madison approach, Cessna 704, Uniform Whiskey.
Sky 704 Uniform Whiskey, Madison approach.
Cessna 704 Uniform Whiskey is about 25 miles southeast of Madison with Quebec, full stop, 4,500.
Sky 4 Uniform Whiskey, your step down, say again.
Cessna 704 Uniform Whiskey has Quebec at Madison, 4,500, about 24 miles southeast of Madison.
And 4 Uniform Whiskey, understand you have Quebec, and you were stepped on again. Say again your intentions.
We're looking for a full stop at Madison.
Sky 4 Uniform Whiskey, ink straight in runway 36.
Straight in 36, 40 from Whiskey.
November 182 Hotel Delta, Madison approach, Madison altimeter 3007.
Alright, set checklist fixture, we're going to go full register minute, fuel is on, carby as required. Aegis, we got the weather already, the altimeter is set, and insurance.
Sky 700 Delta, maintain VFR at or above 3,500. Sky 883, maintain VFR at or below 3,000.
Alright, we are 20 miles out, I'm going to go full register on the mixture. And I'm going to start my descent. And my descent is going to consist of literally just pulling just a little bit of power and just trimming nose down. We're going to do about 115 in the descent. Alright, for landing, brakes. Better, I got pressure. Landing light is on. 32-1, southwest, 437. Seat belts and harnesses are on, mixture is full rich, carby is we'll turn on in a minute. Fuel's on, flaps as required. So we'll put the carby on once we get below 2,000 RPM.
Cessna 2 Hotel Delta, did you see that information Quebec as well? Cessna 4 Uniform Whiskey, contact tower 119.3.
119.3 for you from Whiskey, thank you. Madison Tower, Cessna 704 here from Whiskey is about 7 miles to the south of the field, maneuver straight in runway 36.
Is it for Uniform Whiskey, Mass only 36, clear land?
36 clear land, 40 from Whiskey. I do not have the airport still, but I going to be lined up for 36 center line. That might be the airport there. Oh, I like the pattern altitude, but it's okay. Plenty of options if I had to put it down. Winds are calm. Well, that's kind of cool. I've never seen the skyline. I've been here at night once. And I was here when it was low ceilings for coming up to Oshkosh this year. But this is nice. I might do a city tour on my way out before I go back to Lewis. Clearland runway 36. Wisconsin Aviation's the airfield, right? Yes. Alright, got the field in sight, got the runway in sight. Alright.
Skyhawk 704 Uniform Whiskey. Run your instructions from like 36 clear to land, hold short runway 32.
36 clear land, hold short 32, 40 from Whiskey. Had to make sure I could, oh yeah.
Skyline 5923 Bravo, we're already on my ticket.
Alright, first time landing and hold short. Should be hard.
5923 Bravo, Madison Tower. Turn left on course, runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Alright.
And runway 36, hold short your runway.
Okay, let's take on runway 32 left turn on course.
Alright, so before landing we'll double check everything. Pedal test, landing light, seatbelt, mixture, carb heat, fuel, and flaps. Alright. So, within the white arc, 10 degrees. About 1 mile, 1 mile final here.
Massive, how is it 342 Echo on a left bank 236 full time? Okay, 421 Echo Madison Tower, runway 36, clear to land. Number 2, traffic, Skyhawk 1 mile final. 36, clear to land for July.
Alright, I'm going to just do 30 today, I'm not going to do 40. Alright, so what you're hearing is actually just the airflow around the flaps.
November 787 Ross, Madison Tower, runway 32, clear to land. November 3421, Echo, in your instructions, runway 36, clear to land, hold short runway 32.
Clear land, runway 36, carb heat is out.
43 Bravo, over departure.
November 23 Bravo, contact departure.
Look at that, thanks.
Skyhawk 3421 Echo, amend your instructions, runway 36, clear to land, hold short of runway 32.
Well, I passed the wire here. They won't land on the wire for the jets. Greaser.
Number 4, Uniform Whiskey, turn right at Charlie, contact ground point now.
Right on Charlie over the ground for Uniform Whiskey. Alright, so Charlie's way down here. Thumbs up. One 121.9er, I'm assuming. I will double check though before I call. There's Charlie. There's someone on final name.
Command Sarah Bonanza, 4th of June, Bravo, inbound Island 36.
2 off Bravo Madison Tower, runway 36, clear to land.
Runway 36, clear to land, and on the minutes there, we're going to be doing another hour and a half.
November 3 Alpha Bravo, correction, runway 36, clear low approach.
Clear low approach, over Bravo, thanks.
Cool, we're clear. Did not make anybody go around today.
Tower, Cherokee 6 for Juliet, holding short runway 32.
Alright, after landing checklist, flaps are up, carb heat is off, strobes are already off, landing light will leave on, taxi light, feeder heat,
446 for Juliet,
fixture,
Madison Tower, runway 32,
Yep.
clear for takeoff, turn right heading at 090, traffic landing runway 36, will hold true to your runway.
Madison ground, Cessna 704, you're from Whiskey, off of runway 36 on Charlie, we're going to Wisconsin Aviation.
704 Uniform Whiskey, Madison ground, continue straight ahead on Charlie, cross runway 3, hold short runway 32.
Straight ahead on Charlie, cross runway 3, hold short 32 for you from Whiskey.
November 4 Uniform Whiskey, cross runway 32, Mike 3, Mike depart.
Cross runway 32, Mike 3 to park for you from Whiskey.
21 Echo, follow the traffic, cross runway 32, Mike 3, Mike depart.
Follow traffic in front of me, Mike, cross runway 32 on Charlie, Mike 3, Mike, depart.